Greetings from the PLC Programming tutorials. If you are new to the channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay updated on the new content from this amazing channel. We will start with the basic programs and try to understand how to control a process. But before starting the program, let's understand what is ladder and what is a ladder programming. As discussed in the previous videos, we know that PLC is a logic controller which has terminals for inputs and outputs. The relationship between these inputs and outputs are established via control logic. Control logic can be programmed using different programming languages. Some of them are FBD, ladder logic, sequential logic, structured text, etc. Out of this, one of the most commonly used language is ladder logic. It gets its name because the program looks like a ladder with different inputs and output relations. We can see a ladder logic in front of us. The left and the right lines correspond to the power lines. The horizontal lines where the component blocks are placed are called as rungs. Once a ladder logic is written, the PLC processes the codes from left to right and top to bottom. Let us build a line of logic for the basic gates that are AND, OR, and NOT. We will be using push buttons and LEDs for the same. A physical discrete input can be mapped into logical inputs in a rung. The value that these discrete devices can take are NC or NO. NC stands for normally close contact and the NO stands for the normally open contact. This means that when input is not energized, the states will be ones that are defined. However, when the input is energized, the status of this contact will be changed. Let's understand this in the form of animation. Suppose we have connected one open switch to the input 1 of the PLC. If we connected it as NO contact in the code, the NO contact becomes NC when the switch is closed. Similarly, if we connect an open switch to NC contact, it will change to NO contact when we close the switch. Now let us build an AND gate using 2 push buttons and a lamp. The ladder logic for the AND gate is shown here. We can see that one NO contact for each push button is connected in series and the output lamp is further connected in series. A side note on this: inputs are always connected on the left side of the rungs. Inputs can be connected in series or the parallel. Outputs are always connected on the right side of the rung, and the outputs can only be connected in parallel. When the rung is complete, one can imagine current flows and power gets supplied to the output device. Coming back to our AND gate logic, we can see that NO contact turns into NC contact when the corresponding push buttons are pressed. The circuit or the rung will be complete only when the both contacts turns as NC. This is only possible when both push buttons are pressed. So if we compare it with the Boolean language, the output will be only high when both the inputs are high, and thus we get a circuit for AND gate. Hope you understand this video clearly. Share this video with your friends. Feel free to post your doubts and feedback in the comment sections. We are waiting to hear from you all next time. Stay calm and keep learning. Take care and goodbye.